Hey, hey, my genius! Welcome to Quiz Slice, the home of fast and fun brain teasers. Today's challenge, guess the U.S. state flag. You'll have 40 U.S. state flags and 5 seconds to look, think, and guess each one. All right, are you ready? Let's go! Easy flags, let's get it! California, you nailed it! New York, well done! Let's see if you can crack this one. Alaska. Yoo-hoo! Texas! Florida! Guess the first U.S. state. It's Iowa! Arizona! Kansas! Which state is this? It's Vermont, the Green Mountain State with a unique tilted rectangle shape. Which state's flag is this? Maine. Next up, welcome to medium level. It's a bit more complicated, but you can do it. Utah. Nevada. Would you rather explore the bright lights and casinos of Nevada, hello Las Vegas, or discover the stunning national parks and red rock landscapes of Utah? If you choose Nevada, hit subscribe. If you pick Utah, smash that like button. Let us know your choice in the comments below. Next state. Vermont. It's Idaho. Is Albany the capital of New York? Correct answer, yes! Albany is the capital city of New York State, not New York City. Guess the state by flag. Indiana. Guess the state by flag. Oregon. Guess the state by flag. Montana. Next state. Alabama. Next state. Alabama. Can you guess this state from the scrambled letters? Great job! It's Virginia. Identify this state flag. It's Georgia. Maryland. Illinois. State by flag. Can you guess? It's Delaware. All right, now, let's raise the bar with the hard level. Which one is the official flag of Rhode Island? You have 5 seconds to decide. Flag 2. Yay! You got it right. Missed it? Try again. Guess the state. Oklahoma. Any ideas? Wyoming. It's Nebraska. Arkansas. It's Ohio. Michigan. Guess the U.S. state flag. It's Colorado. Missouri. New Jersey. Wisconsin. Kentucky. Which state has this flag? It's New Mexico. Next flag. Minnesota. Next flag. Hawaii. Great job, Flagmaster. Want more challenges? We've got plenty. If you want more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our quiz. All right, now, I would say to goodbye and see you in next video. Bye!